Alright, some stuff that I've learned with the case so far. Sorry if you're getting some noise from the fan overhead. The 6 primary screws. You know, your generic case panel screws that the camera won't focus on, those guys. Comes with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 of them were screwed down to hand tight. The other one was screwed down with the force of all the suns, not 1,000 suns, all the suns. So needed to use a screwdriver on that guy. Getting it off, this guy actually has the standard kind of clip system. Panel overlaps, if I remember correctly. Where does it overlap? Anyway, it overlaps on 2 sides. If you know anything about normal case panels, production case panels, you kind of slide them over like 3-4 millimeters, and that frees them. It's exactly the case here. Get it? Case. See that slot? Right there. So it's got one of those on each side. You slide it to the left about whatever, however many millimeters that is. Just do it with the palm of your hand, just like grip, pull. Wash your hands if your case is white, top and bottom, and then then you kind of peel it. Can't really get a shot, but once you get it off at the top, kind of lean it down towards you. You have to be mindful down there because the lip of the panel that you're taking off actually goes up under this. So you don't want to pull towards you. You actually want to lean this guy back and down and just kind of peel back the piece that you want to take off. So that's what I've learned so far. The cable management, I think this is just production, smash everything in there, and we'll see what happens, but it's good. So far, so good. Probably be back with a bit more. Alright. Music. We are going to open the Taichi business. What do we see here? One thing I forgot to mention about this case, Core P3, I still haven't found the GPU extension cable, riser cable. If it's under the glass, then or plexi, then maybe it's down there, but it was not in the case when I opened it, so I'm glad I got this guy. This guy got here in good condition. I don't know why they don't put seals on these things, on these boxes. Just seems like a smart freaking idea for like anyone ever who's doing shit. Put seals on your shit, people. It's called customer satisfaction. It's got a hole, so I'm gonna pull on it. Probably regrettably. I'm absolutely doing this one-handed and one-elbowed. Yo, that is in there. That's good. Super. Say 7 out of 10 density on this guy. Nice. This is my first time seeing this outside of. Got a nice big scrape down the front of the ASRock logo. Don't know if my camera even wants to think about focusing on that. Anyway, that white bit is noticeably raised or deformed to the touch. Could be a plastic cover. Oh, maybe it is. Alright, good stuff. Hopefully that didn't go all the way through there. Maybe I'll just have to paint over that shit. Let's see. That's where the hotness is going. I need to get this guy out, figure out where it's going on the case. I think that's the next step, so just kind of wanted to open this guy up and make sure that the components were not foobar. I guess I gotta get it out to look. Super happy with the way that comes out of the box. It's actually two portions. This guy sits on top of a bigger portion, or maybe it's the other way around. But it was molded and had a cutout for this in it. And I'm not sure, I guess these zip ties, like I love that the backside of the phone comes out with it, because that's maybe something that can just stay on there while I'm mounting the CPU. Don't have to worry about knocking corners. Sorry guys, you get to talk to the table for a second. I have one hand for the camera and one hand for the camera, and I want to use two for the moving of delicate shit, so you guys get to talk to the table every now and again. It looks good. Don't know what I'm looking for. Anything that's like clearly visibly broken or particularly fucked up. Don't see it yet. This guy has a protective cover. This guy does not. This guy does not. Don't know what's going on with this yet, aside from all the videos I've seen. So yeah, now I'm going to figure out how to get it on the motherboard. Getting ahead of myself properly. Forgot there was actually a second box in the box. First was this business in this box, and second is this business in this box, which has a significant amount of paper. That doesn't need to be water cooled, so I'm excited about that. Put that shit over there. And there's all this business cables, SLI stuffs. I just needed the instructions. So hopefully there's somewhere in this encyclopedia. Oh my god, here we go.